Hey everyone, welcome back to Colorful Indian. I hope that you've been having a wonderful week. If you're new here, I want to say welcome. My name is Ranita. I do makeup swatches, reviews, tutorials. Sometimes I do hauls and other lifestyle videos, but today we're going to be looking at Boxycharm. So this is, for the month of December, and I have received 2 boxes in the mail, and I'm really excited to open it up and see what I've received this particular month. So yeah, let's get right into that. Alright, so before we open the boxes, which are both over here, I just wanted to say that if you have never subscribed to Boxycharm, or if you're thinking of subscribing to Boxycharm, then it would be good to kind of know what they have to offer. So if you go to the Boxycharm website, which I'm showing you right now on my phone, they basically have multiple programs for people. So basically the idea of a makeup subscription, at least for Boxycharm, is that you get like a lot of makeup for a lower price. So they've got different packages over here, and I'm just going to show them to you. So let's just look at the different plans that are available. So if you look at the base box, you basically get 5 full-size products that are worth up to $205, but it is the payment that you make is $27.99 a month. So that's actually a really amazing deal, especially if you're someone that has an interest in trying out skincare and other makeup products. This is something that you could totally check out. The next box that they have is called Premium. So I'm just tapping on that. Okay, so Premium is basically 6 full-size products, and you basically pay $39.99 a month. So the last option that they have is the Luxe Box. So for the Luxe, you're basically getting 395 worth of products, and you're basically getting 8 full-size beauty and lifestyle items every 3 months for $57.99. If this is something that you want to check out, then I actually do have a code that you could use to get yourself a discount as well, which I will put on the screen, and I will also link it like below so that you can just click on that and you can get your discount. But anyway, let's get into the boxes. So the first one that I have actually got is my base box. So that is this box right over here. I already took like a knife and I cut it open, but I haven't seen the products inside, so I'm really excited to see like what I've gotten in this box. So let's open her. Ooh. Okay, these look so cool. I'm already excited to see what's inside. So these are basically some of the products. So I'm going to take them out one by one and show them to you. Tis the season for being extra is their theme this month. Alright, so first of all, there's a LaRousse Special Edition 3-piece eye set. And it looks so pretty. I love that packaging and how it's just shining over there. Okay, let's see what's next. We also have Real Her Set Your Goal Blurring Veil. I do think that this is like a powder. I think this is, something that makeup artists use to kind of like get rid of like pores and stuff. So let's just open it. I'm gonna need a scissors to kind of open this up. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so it is it's definitely a powder, as you can probably see from here, and this is, what the powder looks like. Set Your Goal Blurring Veil. This will definitely be fun to try out. I'm gonna just put that back in her box and move on to the next product. So I have a eyeshadow palette. It is called Dominique Unconditional Palette. So this is the palette. It's a very pretty palette, and I'm going to open it up. It has 6 shades, okay, and they look really pretty, to be honest. I don't know why, but this kind of reminds me of like old tape cassettes. You would open them and they would have like a paper or something inside, and then you'd open it and you'd find all the details of the songs and everything inside. So this packaging kind of reminds me of that. So this is the palette that has been sent over. It's kind of cracked a little bit. It looks a bit messy over here, but the palette actually looks pretty, like I like the colors, and I think that's a glitter, like an actual like cosmetic glitter right over there. So it kind of looks pretty. Looks like something you could use, during a very festive season, which is obviously perfect for Christmas. So I'm just going to clean that up because I don't really like messes in my palette. But yeah, at least she didn't break, completely, but it's still very pretty. Like I'm digging the way they've packaged that. It's very unique as well. So I like that. I really do. All right, what do we have next? We've got 2 skincare products. I'm going to show you the cleanser first. We've got the Vita Fellow Fresh Cleanser. So that's this over here. And I love the fact that it's got a lemon on it. It's so like cheerful and happy. Really, really loving that. Okay, so this one is sealed. So I'm going to have to cut that seal. So I got it open. And oh my goodness, look at this. It's so cute and yellow. I love this. It looks so, so pretty. Well, I'll have to try it and let you know what my thoughts are on this. I wonder if it has a smell. I think we need to open this probably, yeah. You can kind of get a very subtle smell, but yeah, that will definitely be fun to try. So it's actually really awesome that you pay $27.99 and you're getting 5 full-size products. I think that's a really, really good deal. Okay, so the last product that they've sent is from Murad. It's a Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. Oh, I am excited for this. I love retinol. That is like one of my favorite, that is one of my friends. And I'm just really, really excited. Let me just show you the box. This is what has been sent. And this is the product. Oh, it's a very, very beautiful packaging. Look at that. So I have not really, I don't believe that I've tried this particular product from Murad. So I'm pretty excited also because of the retinol. I love using, you know, retinol for my eyes and stuff because obviously I'm in that age where I need to like really maintain my skin and look after it. I've always kind of maintained a skincare routine like ever since I was 12. My mom was the one who put me on a skincare routine and I'm really grateful for that because the earlier you start, the better for your skin. But anyway, these are the 5 products from the base box. So I'm really excited because, you know, this is the month, like every quarter, Boxycharm sends us the Luxe. And obviously, like, that's fun because it's 8 full-sized products. So let me just get this box. All right, so this ginormous box over here is the Luxe box. So I'm excited. So I'm going to open it and show you what is inside. Okay. So when you order Luxe, it's going to say Boxycharm Luxe, like right over there. And these are the products that are inside. So I'm going to take them out and show you one by one because this is too big really to put on the ground. Okay, so I was just making some space on my table because I couldn't like put this. Whenever you get Boxycharm, they will send you a, you know, card like this and it will have the list of products, you know, with the prices of the products at the back. So that you kind of know how much you're getting when you actually get this box. So I'm really excited about this box because it is 8 full-size products. So that means this month I have gotten I've gotten 13 full-size products from Boxycharm, which is really, really awesome. Okay, so the first thing is Dear Midnight Set to Last. This is a setting spray. Okay, so as a makeup artist, obviously setting spray is a must. And I'm so excited about this. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. This is so, so pretty. Like, look, it's all sparkly. It's so, so pretty. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous setting spray. Yeah, I'm loving that. So I'm definitely going to be trying that out with my makeup and I'll let you know how that works. The next thing, ABH, okay, Anastasia Beverly Hills Face Palette. So that's this one over here. Let us take a look at this. I have never really felt, like I've never really bought an ABH palette because I just didn't really feel like the colors excited me. But oh, this is, but I really have no qualms like receiving it though. This is so pretty. I really like the size of this as well. I feel like I could just put that inside my bag if I needed to, and it would be so convenient to carry around with me. So these are the, you know, shades in the face palette. Yeah, so pretty neutral. So basically, what do we have here? We've got bronzer, highlighter, and blush. Okay, yeah, it seems like a pretty good thing to carry around in your bag, doesn't it? Because the size is so small, it's kind of compact, so I do like that. Okay, what do we have next? We have these, oh, Dew of the Gods. So I have received Dew of the Gods from Boxycharm before. In fact, I've used their primer for like my makeup, and it works really well. So this is 2 lace spun sheet masks for Saturday and Sunday. very specific days. So Saturday is a cold elixir made from squalene and citrus extract designed to hydrate, tone, and restore bounce to your skin. Sunday is a restorative and preventative skin cocktail formulated with retinol and hyaluronic acid to heal and repair. Oh my goodness, okay. Yeah, you got me at the retinol, so I'm super, super excited to like try both of these masks. I will let you know how they have worked in another video. This is just for us to unbox and have some fun and, you know, kind of like see what our first impressions are of everything. Ooh, another eyeshadow palette. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, Best Dressed. It's called Best Dressed Lids. Neutrals and Bolds 14 Matte and Shimmer palettes. It's quite a long palette, you can see. So what is the brand? I can't really tell what the brand is. I'm going to look at my product list here. Mali Beauty. Okay, and this palette is worth, so the palette actually costs $45 according to that. So let's see what is, so this is what it looks like. I think my sister would probably love this palette because it's so neutral. I'm the one who generally goes for like super bold colors and everything, but it still looks really, really pretty. It kind of in some ways reminds me of the Adept you know, eyeshadows, which I've never tried by the way, but the packaging definitely reminded me of that. But it's still a very, very pretty palette, so I'm quite excited about this. Okay, next, what do we have? We've got One Size Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. Okay, so I have now received another primer. It says, this is what it looks like. Sorry, I forgot to show it to you. So an ultra blurring pore refining primer with niacinamide that mattifies and evens out skin texture as it grips makeup for flawless application and enhanced wear. Apply before makeup. That's definitely exciting because it has an ingredient I really, really love. This is what the product looks like. Kind of reminds me in some ways of like a deodorant, like the packaging at least. But maybe it's a special kind of, oh, okay, so it's like that. Comes out like that. How cool is this? Like, I wasn't expecting that, but it looks really, really cool. So I'm really excited about this one too, because you can never have enough primer in my opinion. Like, you really just need primer for your skin, especially if you're doing makeup. Okay, let's see what's next. Another ABH product. Okay, so this is called Brow Freeze. It's brow styling wax. So this is for people who love to do their brows. So for me particularly, I actually don't focus a lot on my brows. I used to, and then I kind of was like, yeah, never mind. But I know that using a gel actually is really, really good because it keeps your brows in place. This is what the product looks like. It's very, very pretty for sure. And it's kind of see-through at the back. Let's go to the next one. Ooh, okay. Fenty Beauty. I'm so excited about Fenty Beauty. I think this is the second Fenty Beauty item that I've received, but I loved the first one, and that was like in a previous box. But I absolutely love Fenty Beauty products, so I am super, super excited about this. This is also looking like a lip product. Yeah, it's a stunner lip paint, fluid lip color, and it's long wear, and it's in the shade Uncuffed, which is number 3. So let us open it and take a look at this beautiful lip product because I actually love their designs. Fenty Beauty has very nice designs. So for those of you who don't know, Fenty Beauty is a brand that was created by Rihanna. Okay. Ooh. You know what? When I pulled this out, I was thinking of those vintage nail polishes. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen them, but I remember my aunts used to have like a box of vintage nail polishes, and I think some of these were like this particular shape. So when I pulled it out, I was actually thinking about that, but I really like the design. So, and I like the color as well. This is definitely a color that I would use. So that's going to be fun, isn't it? Okay, so I'm just putting it back in. All right. And the final product is Cloud Jelly Plumping Hydration Serum. How fun is that? You could never use enough of serum because hydration is essential for your skin. Let's take a look at this. So this is Dreamy Drops for more youthful looking hydrated skin, a plush hydrating serum that helps dry, dehydrated skin bounce back with truly natural ingredients. So they've put in tremella mushroom, which is a superfood powerhouse that holds up to 500 times its weight in water and helps skin retain moisture. This sounds amazing. Vegan collagen, strawberry extract, and you're supposed to basically put 2 to 3 drops onto your face at night and in the morning. So, okay. And you're obviously not supposed to get it in your eyes. Okay, yeah, I mean, I wasn't planning to put it in my eyes. But anyway, let's open this. This is from Herbivore Botanicals. I've never tried this particular brand before. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. I love the packaging and it's pink. Oh my goodness, this is just, I love this. Like, this is the most adorable product. Like, I just love it. Really, really love it. First impressions are I definitely want to put it on my face. But yeah, so this is basically, you know, what we have received. Alright, so that's all I have for you in this video, but I had a lot of fun going through the products with you, showing you what I got. If you're interested in picking up these boxes, I will be putting up my code on the screen. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for unboxing both of them with me. I had a lot of fun going through the products, and it's really, really fun getting Boxycharm products, I think, because they always give you like full-size products and it's so awesome. So like I said, there are 3 different boxes. There's the base, the premium, and the luxe. So if you want to get a particular box, be sure to use the discount. And that's all for today. Thank you. I hope you had fun, and I will see you for a new video very soon. Bye.